The best way for you to sell your digital product or any product at all online is by creating a sales funnel. That is a fact, well known and completely agreed. But you have a sales funnel. You discover that your sales funnel is failing. You are not making sales. There is no difference between having a sales funnel and not having a sales funnel. Now, if you are experiencing that, it simply means that your sales funnel has failed you. Let me show you some of the common mistakes that people do when it comes to sales funnel, and that is the major reason why it keeps failing. I remember once I consulted with a business that was getting a lot of leads but barely convert any of these leads. People are applying to enroll for this particular program, but nothing is happening. We identified several key mistakes in their sales funnel and corrected them, leading to a significant boost in their sales. If you are facing similar challenge, this video is exactly for you. What you need to do is this. Step number 1, in order for you to have a sales funnel that is converting highly, is this. Stop ignoring the awareness stage of your sales funnel. What do I mean by this? The awareness stage is the first level of contact between your product and your potential customers. Now, when they get to that stage, that is the first time of seeing you, of meeting you, or meeting your product and services, or knowing about it. If you notice some certain issues there and you ignore it, that means you are just killing your sales funnel. Now, let me explain further. Think about the importance of making a great first impression. That's exactly what the first stage of awareness is. You need to make a very good first impression. If not, you're going to be having a failed funnel. Even if they apply, or maybe they book for something, they will not show up. Why? Because your impression during the first stage is very poor. Now, how do you fix this? In order for you to do this, provide valuable content that educates and engages your audience right from the start. Very, very important. The first time they're having contact with you, let them be blown away by the kind of content that is there on your website, on your social media platform, by your videos, whatever channel you are using as your stage of awareness. It must be very good. It must be valuable. So, you can use your blog posts, your social media, videos to attract and inform potential clients. That's what you must do. So do not ignore the awareness stage of your funnel. Mistake that people do. Number 2, they don't nurture leads properly. Yes, that is the mistake that a lot of people do with their sales funnel. They don't nurture the leads properly. Imagine you losing interested prospects just because you don't know how to do follow-up. You can't follow up on them. And usually, all you need to do in this stage is to have an automation platform, an email automation sequence that you will use to send personalized messages, relevant content that keeps lead engaged. You can use tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and all this other plethora of tools that is on internet everywhere. The one I use is Systemi.io, all-in-one platform that allows me to send email and do many other things and manage my online business. When you don't nurture your leads, you are just getting interested people, but you are losing them because you are not following up. See, they have their own life to live. They have other things that they need to do. They have their own life. They can apply for your stuff today and they forget tomorrow. But it was you who collected their contact. You are supposed to contact them. Mistake number 3 is overloading prospects with information. You know, when I was programming, we have what we call buffer overload. Don't overload them with too much information. It will overwhelm them and they cannot make decisions. Instead, they will leave and go to other places and keep thinking or keep researching because you are overloading them with irrelevant information that is making them not to be able to take action. So you must streamline your content and focus on key benefits and call to action. Simplify sales pages with clear messaging. Help prospects to make decisions faster. Let them see it. This is what you are going to do. This is the benefit. This is the issue here. And if you do this, click the button, you're going to have your problem solved at the other side of the button. That's all. Mistake number 4 that a lot of people do that make their sales funnel to fail is neglecting mobile optimization. You create your website and your sales funnel on your laptop, fine. But after doing that, you forgot to check it with mobile phone to make sure that people that are coming on mobile phone are actually able to view the pages, see everything, see where to click, and not have itches. Your UI, user interface, must be on point. So you must consider mobile users because mobile users are up to 80% of people that are patronizing all the platforms on the internet. So ensure your website sales funnel is fully optimized for mobile device. Use responsive design. Test your funnel every time after creating your sales funnel. I always tell my developers, Check it for yourself. The moment you are done creating, go and use your phone, check it. Don't even use the platform phone settings. Go to the website with your own phone and ask other people to check it for you. Make sure it is mobile friendly. If you are not the one doing it yourself, make sure you tell your developers to make sure your sales funnel, your sales page is mobile friendly. That is the mistake a lot of people do that's costing them so much money and making their funnel to fail. Step number 5 that causes funnel to fail is failing to analyze and adjust. You create something once and you just left it there. For who? You can't create and leave. You have to create, analyze, optimize, and continue to come back to check for opportunity to improve. There will always be something that will break after some time. So you just need to continually improve your funnel. Keep improving it. Your information, the content you have on the platform, go change it, add some other stuff. Keep improving what you have on your sales pages. Change images, change video, put new testimonial. Make sure you are doing things according to time, like you are timely. You cannot get this without constantly checking and tracking your performance. If you want to get this done, use tools like Google Analytics and other CRM tracking tools that can help you to check your performance, refine your strategies, and improve your conversion rate. If you follow these steps from step number 1 to step number 5, you will notice that you will boost your sales. Minimum of 40%, up to 150% is very, very possible. Sales funnel is the key to selling digital and physical products online. There is no doubt about that. All you need to do is to make sure everything is properly done. Now, if you have not watched the other video where I talked about how to optimize your sales funnel, go and watch that video so that you can learn how to optimize your sales funnel properly. And if you have not watched the video on how to create a sales funnel, go and watch that video as well. Make sure you create and sell your product. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.